I'm actually testing this by hiding way over to the side of the door. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Way over here to this side of the door. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Really? All the way even over here? Wow, okay, that's some fantastic field of view. I'm gonna actually give you a few tips to hopefully save you some heartache and some time. The first thing is this peephole, which is this beautiful wide angle lens, is going to be installed on an exterior door. And that first step is measure from the ground up based off of the shortest person in your family. So now, while most hotel rooms are gonna be all the way up there, I want my daughters to be able to look out the door and see if there is a security threat. And so go based off of the shortest person in your family, and even right there in the middle of the doorway, it's not gonna look so bad. I've actually confirmed with my wife who does interior decorating, she's gonna be perfectly happy with this thing mounted right there. Beautiful. All right, the second thing that you're going to be doing is get a drill bit like so, and after you have marked from there up, go ahead and drill all the way through the door. And then, second step is going to be taking the included drill bit and using that pre-drilled pilot hole. Drill in as much as you can, but not all the way through. Then open up the door and then go from the other side with this same drill bit. Odds are you're gonna have all of this insulation, these little bits of foam everywhere, and this is simply because it's an insulated door. To prevent these little pellets from getting inside your peephole as you install it in there, go ahead and stuff something just temporarily in there. And I just have some blue tape that won't leave any residue behind, stuffed it in there, and once you put it through, then on the other side, you can take that out. With the door open, go ahead and hold this on this side, then with your other hand, go ahead and screw it on in. Once you get it finger tight, go ahead and open this up, and if you look closely, there is a little groove right here, and there's a little groove right there. And it's not quite flat, but all you have to do is get a screwdriver of some kind, push it down like this, and that pretty much tightens it into position. Now we can swivel this up and down to open and close our peephole. That concludes the installation of this beautiful peephole. As you can see, it is black and that accent matches everything else. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Outstanding, that clarity is fantastic. And just for privacy, we can close this. Although, in case you're wondering, you can't really see from the outside into the inside anyway. I could try to zoom in as much as possible, but you're really not gonna see anything in there. But for security, they do supply that little swivel guy to cover it just in case you're somewhat paranoid. That's it. Hope this helps.